Okay, what's up, YouTube? I'm back to get more into aircrack. And like I said in the past video, ooh, I talk good, is that I'm gonna go into each one of the commands specifically and kind of show how they're used and what options you have with them. So let's first check, do ifconfig, and typing in ifconfig is going to show your internet configurations. Right here is going to be, this is the one, is the wireless one, and then I don't know what these guys are, to be honest. I never really messed too much with that. Loopback, I'm guessing it's actually, I know a little bit about that. That's more so um, like a personal use kind of thing. Like you can make your own servers and then loop back, so it's anything. It's like you're sent out, but it's sent right back to you. It's like a, I don't know. That's terribly explained. But yeah, these things, that's just for like if you're making a server or something on your computer. I think it's your local host. That's what it is. Localhost loopbacks. This, not sure again what this is, but whatever. Maybe it's a hardwired thing. Who knows? But anyway, that's going to be the ones you're looking for. This is going to give you your MAC address, your IP. This isn't your actual IP of your computer, by the way. This is the IP of your network. So on this network right here, the 192.168.1, I'm going to be 5. If there's a different computer on this network, like my router has like maybe a computer in the living room, computer in the bedroom, whatever, they're going to be different numbers here. But yeah, so that's just kind of the networking. And yeah, your actual computer's IP is going to be different than that. So just kind of quick explaining that, if that matters. Why not? That's what I looked up, that's what I learned about, so that's what you guys are going to hear. Sound good? Alright. And leave a comment if you don't want me to just ramble on. I do that way too much. Okay, so anyway, you're going to use this. That's the main point I said. So ifconfig is going to take you, you can also do iwconfig, that's your iwconfig. It's going to be your wireless guys here. See, no wireless extensions. This one is WLAN 0. So that's your interface. Remember that one? And so you go to sudo, or you don't go to, you type in sudo airmon-ng WLAN 0. Oh, start WLAN 0. That's the argument. You can start it, you can check it, and you can end it, essentially. And then you're going to put whatever your interface is. And then you got to do the sudo password always. Okay. Now, this right here, before you get into it, you could probably continue on from here, but there might be errors. So to fix that, or prevent that from happening, oh, also tab up, or arrow up and down. It's always fun. Saves you so much time. Okay, so now I'm in monitor mode, by the way. If I want, I could check iwconfig. And you see there's a new interface here. This one is in monitor mode. Now, pretty much what this means is that in managed mode, whenever you're like surfing the internet and stuff like that, your computer is not just bombarded with packets and information from other things, other sources. But with this one, it actually changes it. This is pretty much the only time you'd ever want your computer to be in monitor mode, I think. I don't know. There might be a couple of uses, but for the most part, this one's going to switch it up. So if you use this interface, it's going to be able to pick up on those packets being sent back and forth. And yeah, so we're going to do the sudo airmon-ng, same thing, but we're going to check it and kill. So check kill, that's going to kill any processes that may interfere. See? Running on interface, blah, 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 0, killing all processes, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So now we're good to play around with this. And if you ever want to stop it, sudo ifconfig, airmon-ng, check, or not check, stop. And then you're not currently on the ifconfig, or Jesus Christ, I can't talk. I need to slow down. You're not currently on the WLAN 0, or at least whatever your computer's interface would be. It may differ. Could be LAN 0, could be whatever, who knows. But that's why you should check that, because yours could differ from mine. Right there. But yeah, so you stop the new one, because this is the one we just made to put in monitor mode. So you put mon 0 or whatever yours will be, stops that, and then you go back into managed mode. But yeah, so that's how you turn it on monitor mode, make sure it's working and everything like that, and to stop it. Now what I'm actually going to do is this. I'm going to show you stopping it. Boom. Stop mon 0. Okay, see, it's removed. Boom, that's cool. Now I'm going to check, because sometimes this causes an error in your internet, in your browsing, whatever. This may work. Let's go to YouTube. Okay, this actually worked. That's good. But sometimes it's not going to work. It just could glitch out your system because you opened it, closed it, and there might be a couple things screwed up. So anyway, what you want to do is one of those background programs, the network manager, sudo service network dash manager. You're going to stop that. At least I like to stop it and then start it back up again. So type that in, stop, and then go back and start. See how this thing went away? Now it's coming back. That's essentially just going to refresh your network. And eventually, there we go, connected, boom. So now if I did have some error, because you might see like page not found or something like that because your system isn't working. Alright, let's go to YouTube again, just to prove that that didn't fuck things up. It actually does fix it, so boom. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just going to get into how to switch things on and off, or I did get into, I guess, and how to fix it whenever you want to go back out and continue surfing the internet or doing whatever downloading shit. It's up to you. But yeah, that's how to get it in, start it up, shut it down, kill it just to make sure everything's working okay, and also how to find your interfaces to see what you're actually working with. And in the next video, we'll get into why this is something you would bother doing and what the uses of this actually are. Alright, I'm going to leave that here. Catch you all later, YouTube. Peace.